1/8b. Not a whole lot of difference from when we did 1/8 in the past. The last time we did 1/8, we only focused on quadratics. Now we're looking at higher degree polynomials, and we're looking at inequalities. The process is the same. I want to find solutions to my polynomials. Those create my key points. The key points break up the number line. Let's go through this real quick. To determine the intervals in which a polynomial are entirely negative or positive, use these steps. Number one, find all the zeros. Put the zeros in order from small to large. Those are our key numbers. Those key numbers will break up our number line into test intervals. Once we have the number line broken up into intervals, we'll choose a number from each interval to see if we get a true statement or a false statement. That's it. Now let's do an example. All right. So to solve this inequality, the first thing I'm going to do is look for the zeros. So I'm going to solve the related equation. So we have x cubed plus 6x squared minus 36x. I need to bring the 216 over, right? Minus 216. I'm changing this to an equation because I'm looking for the zeros. How would you factor this?
Grouping.
Grouping. Okay, 4 terms or more, see if grouping works. What does the first pair have in common? Take out an x squared. What's left?
X plus 6.
Second pair. What do they have in common?
6.
Bigger. Yeah, it's probably negative 36, right? Let's try that. And that is correct. Negative 36. Take out a negative 36. What's left? X plus 6. Back to that. X plus 6. Pull that out. What's left? X squared minus 36. Am I done factoring? Difference of 2 squares factors, doesn't it? So I now have x plus 6 times x squared minus 36 factors into x plus 6 and x minus 6. Okay, does that give me 3 zeros? In fact, they're all real. Okay, so I have 3 real solutions, but notice I have a double or a multiplicity, don't I? Okay, what's my solution here?
Negative 6.
Negative 6. My solution here? Positive 6. Okay, so we have broken up an infinite number line using these key numbers into 3 pieces, right? Here's my infinite number line. It's broken at negative 6 and it's broken at positive 6. 3 intervals. I have an interval over here that goes from negative infinity to negative 6. Because of the equal sign, I'm going to put a bracket on that, okay? I need to choose one number from that interval to plug into the function. Any number you want. Negative 7. I say any number you want. Don't ever choose the endpoint itself. Okay. So if I plug negative 7, I'm going to say use negative 7. Plug negative 7 into this. Now we're going back to the original problem. Okay, so someone get me a negative 7 cubed plus 6 times negative 7 squared minus 36 times negative 7. I'm going to give you, 203 for negative 7. Any seconds? So using negative 7, we get that 203 is less than or equal to 216. What do we say? That's true. Okay. I need a number between -6 and 6. 0 would be the best choice.
Oh, yeah.
0 plus 0 minus 0 is?
No.
0 is less than or equal to 216. That is true. Plug in 7.
Oh.
I want to say it's 240.
I got 385.
385. How do you feel about that? That's false. Okay. So I would shade the true section. What about the +6? Because of the equal sign, that's going to be a bracket. So what is the solution to this system? -infinity to 6.
That actually makes sense.
Okay.
Mhm.
So wherever your critical numbers, your key numbers are, that's where you're going to break your number line.
So whatever on the negative side, so you do like the -7, would you do the same number but flip sign on the side? Like how we use -7.
They're the only reason is that because that's where the break was.
Okay,
The break started at 6. I could, any number bigger than 6.
we could use 8.
Any number less than negatives, absolutely.
Okay.
It doesn't matter what number you choose. Don't choose the endpoint. It doesn't matter what number I choose in this range, it's going to give me a false statement. It doesn't matter what number I choose in this range, it's going to give me a true statement. Okay, there is another practice problem. We don't have time to do it. If you want to see it, you can watch the second period video and go to scrub to the end, and there's going to be okay.
Doing your time management skills.